decide to just shut it off. For a second, their monitor is working. Right, so connection wise, you have a 2-wire.
This one sits inside the screen.
Up display, or you're gonna click the back, so it's gonna go to your I'm gonna talk about the one website. It's called Tesery.com. You shouldn't go to that website. Even if I put the links on the description, don't click it, because you're gonna hook that website. Right in the website, you're gonna spend a lot of time and I guess a lot of money. Reason why I'm saying that, for me it was a #1 way to go. It was Amazon.com for my aftermarket stuff for my Tesla. I bought a bunch of items for my Tesla after I purchased, and a tons of items is coming at way, right? So Tesery.com is, I think, the #1 platform for the Tesla aftermarket parts and the Tesla accessories, and the really good quality. This is the one product I picked it up already for the Tesla. I installed it. If I just knew it, that product is going to be change my driving. That's like 180 degrees different. I would order that screen before I even order my Tesla.
Let's take a look what is inside the box. As you can see, box quality is really good. This part is magnetic, premium feel. All right, detailed instruction manual. All right, this is the screen itself. Feels good, feels solid. This is the bracket for the top piece, and this is the wires. So let me see, this is the front camera I'm going to install, because I'm missing every time I'm parking closer to the vehicle, to the border. I need the camera, and the camera is waterproof, looks wide angle camera, and a really nice quality wires. And it's also outside part, they have special cover for the wire. As you can see, the wire harness is not too many wires to install. I don't know, some people, only the bad reviews have. Not everybody can connect like just a simple wires, right? Even this part right here, it's covered with the soft material, so it's not going to be rattle, it's not going to be any noise. Only the 4 connections. We'll watch 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And this part is going to go to the screen. The one is going to go to the camera, and another one is going to go to the wire. Let's see the screen quality. Nice. I was missing this part a lot. As you can see, you have a color graded 3 wires, reset button on the bottom, and this one sits inside the screen, and this is the screen. Super nice. Color match it to the dash, because that screen is like, it works phenomenal. All right, as you can see, my front camera is on right now, and this is actually the steering wheel control. If you turn on the steering wheel control, it flips up and down. As you can see, one click, it's going to be back to the screen. Heads up display, or you're going to click the back, so it's going to go to your CarPlay. The CarPlay, and if you want the Android Auto version, you can get it. And you're gonna switch back to the front camera and back to that screen. Reason why I choose this layout, it looks very nice, like a Mercedes style layout, and it's super clean, easy to read. And the back portion is the black. Screen quality, it's amazing, works flawless, and all the information, I don't know how these guys just pull up all the information from just the OBD, because the installation, it was super easy, and it connects to your OBD reading and the power. All the other stuff, it pulls up really good. So installation is super easy. I'm not going to go to detail. The company made the videos of all the products. Tesery, it makes every single product how to install the detailed videos, right? So this is what I was doing the dealing with the, the screen, middle screen. I got used to it. So I need some kind of screens all the time. So now I'm gonna throw it in the garbage to remove this panel here. Only thing you have, torque screws here. You're gonna remove that, and it's gonna be exactly the same thing on the other side.
Right, so connection wise, you have a 2-wire. As you can see, this white one, you're gonna unplug and plug with this. And the second one, it's gonna be OBD wire. This is just for OBD use for the external. The blue one, the purple, is gonna go there.
All right, so we have a 1 clip here, plastic clip. You have 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10, and 4 bolts, and this entire plastic is gonna get up. All right, so I installed the front camera here. As you can see, 2 screws, wires running inside. very nice and quick.
It has to be just a separate video for the front camera, right? I love the front camera of how it works. I thought it's going to be some kind of button for the front camera to turn on to see what is on the front, because the Tesla Model Ys, we don't have front camera, the bumper camera. So I thought it's going to be like there is no way to hook up the camera, so I have to click on the steering wheel. But for some reason that the screen, it knows when I put the drive, and as soon as I put the drive, it turns on the front camera, and it's gonna go up to, when I hit the 35 miles, it's gonna be on. So in this parking lot like this, a lot of times when I stop, I don't want to back up to the back to take my the vehicle out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna double check the front, it's anything on the front, and I will pull out. Now the screen, as soon as I put the drive, I can see front of the camera. Also, when I'm coming to close to the parking lot, I can see like how far I have, because the newer models, we don't have any sensors, right? So that thing is gonna be totally game changer for me. So number two, we don't have on the Teslas the blind spot monitoring little lights, right? On this screen, the built-in blind spot system, the wireless system, taking off the information for the blind spot, but actually we don't have anything on the large screen, any blind spot informations, right? If you have the vehicle, but the screen, some reason, picks up the vehicle on the corners for the some sensors it reads. So the side of the screen, it's lights up. So after while driving, from beginning you don't feel that much, but after while driving, I look straight to the road, but the screen is a large screen on the side that the blinking two sides, it's going to be large over the 2-inch. So even if I don't look any place, I see the vehicle on my side, because it's a screen as actually lights up on the side. This is how display its layout. When we go to settings, and it's going to be this, the language, times, wireless control, all the steering wheel control. You can turn on tire pressures, bar and PSIs, and HDs here. Display, it's going to be, that's the layout. The white background you can change for any colors. Temperature, also brightness, auto, it's automatically adjust. Wireless, now this is the speed when it's connected CarPlay. We can do the CarPlay, Car Life, High Car. Android Auto is not supported for some reason. All right, audio mode, you can do from the screen. It says screen as a loudspeaker. If you have navigation, it's going to speak out through the speaker. That's good. Through the display, I mean, or through the phone, you can do it. And also here we can just do the setup for the Wi-Fi. And this is the software. I just checked it, and here it's going to be different themes we can change. I like the classic. Okay, let's this romantic. So yeah, this is the romantic. When we're driving, it's gonna be goes up here, and this is a park drive to change everything. And also this part, we can flip it. Car distance, if the doors are open, it's gonna show here, and this is the PSI for the vehicle, and back to the settings. So it's a multiple settings here. This is going to be gauge, it's going to go up here from the side. If I just touch it and go up and down, you can see it, but it moves here. Audio, if I just hold the side and goes up and down, it's going to be audio. From the other side, if I just hold it and go up and down, it's going to be just a brightness. If I do the manual on this corner, if I flip it like this, it's gonna comes up, it's gonna be Android Auto here, CarPlay, it's gonna be here. Now it's not connected, and the settings here back to, and the display. That's a great option. I love that. I don't know how I'm gonna drive after it, but from now, any Tesla I buy, the first thing I'm gonna do to purchase that screen and install day one or the same day when I pick it up my Tesla, right? So that's it, number one about this screen. So another thing I love about the screen informations, right? You can scroll around, that even the doors is open, is closed, it's gonna show. My favorite is always on the tire pressure. When I'm driving, I'm gonna keep this tire pressure on, right? And here, if I open the door, as you can see, door indicator it shows. If I don't close very well, it's still the door indicator. All the doors is gonna show here. So that's great option. So I'm not gonna go to the big screen. As soon as I look, it's gonna be here. Okay, another great information. So as you can see, I put the almost 2,000 miles. When I installed it was a 13,000 something, right? So you can, battery range always here. You're not gonna flip back and forth. The battery range is gonna be here. It's always there. And as you can see, you can put the Fahrenheit and the Celsius. Reason why I have a Celsius, now is the winter. As soon as the 0 Celsius, it's gonna be all the bridges are the frozen, right? So on the top, you have a bunch of indicators. As you can see, if I do high beams, the indicator is going to be lit up, high beam. The turn signals, it's going to be show up there, and all the informations. Like for example, if I put the lights on right here, right in the parking lot, as you can see on the top, we have a parking lot, the indicator. That's another great option. So this part is going to be like your tachometer we have here. It's going to go every time I drive, it's going to go up and down. So as you can see, the Tesery.com, they have a multiple options of these the screens, but this one is one of the best, my favorite. The screen size wise is perfect. When I'm sitting here, I can see perfectly the screen without any distortion, right? Only on the corners, very high corners, it's going to be close up here, but other than that, the screen is very good. They have a yoke steering wheels, or they have the half steering wheels and multiple sports steering wheels. I'm gonna choose a couple of them, and I'm gonna install that on the future. And also bumper lips, for the suspensions, for internals. It's a lot of things the companies offers, right? When you go to the website, you will find the latest, newest models for any models. I think they are number one. The way before the Amazon is launched any products, in the Tesery.com, it's going to be available, those products, right? So this is a screen, I installed it. If you didn't watch my other videos, I installed the back screen right here. I thought that screen, it's game changer, because the rear passengers, they can control their separate control unit for the AC, right? And also they can watch the videos. I load like a bunch of videos on that, bunch of cartoons on that. So I thought it's going to be number one, but no, for the safe drive and the drivability, it's very good. Also, when I run the Apple CarPlay, it shows a lot of times. I love how the Tesla navigation system works, but we don't have a cops, right? For the cops, I use this kind of unit right here. So the radar for the I drive sometimes fast, right, to be honest. When I go to the long trips, definitely I use the Waze, because the drivers will always share where is the cops, all that stuff, and I can put some inputs, right? I like to share what's going on the road for the cars behind it. So this is a game changer for the Tesla, to be honest. And again, I ordered a bunch of stuff for the Tesla again, but I thought I installed all the pretty much everything on the Tesla, like what I needed. But when I go to the Tesery.com again, I need a bunch of stuff, right? So comment below what you guys think, what kind of screen you guys running. They actually, Tesery.com, they have a smaller, very nice the screen, like a clean look. But this one, it's with the front camera. You can install the front camera, or you can skip the front camera. Also, you can install any angle of the front camera, and you can actually flip in the menu. You can go to flip upside down, left and right, up and down. So it's a lot of things is going on with this screen, and a lot of useful informations. A car guy like me, I love it. If you like reading more informations than what is the screen provides, this is the screen for you. And let me know what do you guys think about this kind of units, right? Do you need it or not? Do I need to replace the steering wheel or not? But I already ordered the steering wheel. I'm gonna ride couple months, and I'm gonna share the next video is gonna be like a new steering wheel. And the dash cam for the Tesla, it's gonna be surprisingly well designed, because with these dash cams doesn't record when the cop stops, doesn't record the audio. You don't know what they're saying, all that stuff. So I'm gonna install the dash cam too. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.